Namaste, food lovers. Today, we are embarking on a spicy and flavorful journey to India with the ultimate dish, Mutton Vindaloo. Imagine succulent mutton pieces baked in a fiery blend of spices. It's a taste sensation you won't want to miss. I'm your quirky quest, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this flavorful and delightful journey. But before we dive into the rich world of Indian flavors, let's gather our vibrant ingredients. 500 g mutton, with bone or boneless. 4 cup water. Salt to taste. To make the masala. 5 dried Kashmiri chilies. 5 dried Byadagi chili. Half a teaspoon cloves. 1.5 teaspoons cumin seeds. 5-6 garlic cloves. 1 small 1-inch pieces ginger. Half a teaspoon mustard seeds. 1 teaspoon black peppercorns. 1 small cinnamon stick. 1/4 of a teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon salt, add more while cooking. 1/4 cup vinegar. 3 teaspoons sugar. Other ingredients. 1 tablespoon oil. 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped. Salt to taste. Sugar if required. 2 teaspoons tamarind pulp, optional. Wash the mutton well and transfer to a press cooker along with salt and water. Pressure cook this for 5 whistles. Don't get the mutton too soft as this has to cook in the masala. Once 5 whistles are, remove this and keep aside. Reserve the mutton stock as we will be using this in the masala. Next, soak the dried chilies in hot water for 5 minutes, then drain it off and add this to a mixer jar along with all the whole spices and ingredients mentioned: cloves, cumin seeds, garlic, cloves, ginger, mustard seeds, black peppercorns, cinnamon stick, turmeric powder, salt, vinegar and sugar. Add some water and grind to a dark red paste. Keep this aside for later. Next, in a large pot, heat oil and fry the onions till translucent. Now add the prepared masala and fry on medium heat for 2 minutes. Next, add all the mutton pieces and fry for another 2 minutes. Now add the mutton stock along with 1/2 cup water, cover with a lid and bring to boil. Keep stirring this occasionally as you don't want it to burn at the bottom. Adjust the seasoning with salt and sugar if required, and also some tamarind pulp for sourness. Cool for 30 minutes on medium heat till the masala thickens. And there you have it, the ultimate spicy mutton vindaloo, a flavorful journey to India on a plate. If you're ready to bring the bold flavors of India to your kitchen, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more culinary adventures. Enjoy this flavorful journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!